Hey everybody, it's Kareem and I'm back with one final video for 2019. That's me saying hello. I am not wearing crochet braids, but I will pick back up on it very soon. I have been installing my mom's hair though. As you know, she's done videos before. We are installing the beach curl from Model today. She's been wearing the beach curl pattern for, I don't know, more than 6 months. We decided to try Model after wearing Freetress for the last few installations. What we have noticed is that both hairs pretty much perform the same, both brands pretty much perform the same. Beach curl is a beautiful curl pattern on my mom, so I really love installing it on her. But we notice over time, it kind of shrinks in and of itself, so you have to put in a lot of hair in order to maintain the volume. And a lot for us is 4 packs on her. She has 12 braids going back, just straight back. And the installation is a very normal installation. You install it under the cornrow and you triple knot it. She has to put a lot of product on this in order to keep its luster. And that's normal for colored hair. Darker, solid hair may perform a little differently. It does frizz. My mom said the Model sheds more than the Freetress, but they both get very frizzy over time. So you are going to have to apply product to keep it nice and moist, moisturized, looking moisturized. And you will have to trim some of those frizzies, but it's a fun hair to wear. The Model brand is a little thicker than the Freetress, but again, the curl patterns are almost identical, very, very closely, similar to each other and very easy to install. They both have soft texture, so they're easy to wear, easy to install. And for my 5 latch hook rating, I would give it about a 3.5 to 4. I really love the curl pattern, but I don't like how it performs over time, so it makes it a short-term wear. So this is the final look. I absolutely love it in the red on her. This is the Freetress in the Ombre 27. And you can see a side-by-side comparison. As I said, the Model looks more voluminous, but by 2 weeks or so, they're both pretty much looking the same. I would still recommend you give it a try though, either brand. Thanks so much for watching me in 2019. Stay tuned for more coming up in 2020.